Mm. Lady. So where are we heading to?
Blanco boat party.
Yep. Folks, so we are off to the Blanco boat party today. Bonsai Beach. Right now we are at the Bonsai Beach and we'll be off to the boat party, the Blanco boat party in a while. That's the best boat party they claim to be in Phi Phi. So see you at the boat party. See you, bye bye. Taxi. We are off to the Blanco boat party and that's our ticket to the party. See you guys in the boat party. Bye bye.
He is allowed to touch an internet. You are not, okay? Please don't bother him with Despacito every fucking one. Dude, as we have other guys, anything can happen at any time. Worst case, life vests are downstairs behind the bar. Okay? Good. Our first stop is going to be Rocky Beach. We're going to be there in 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, we set up the bar. When you guys come back from So, a little bit of safety advice. First, monkeys are wild animals. Okay, that means
At a time. In my 3 years experience, I have to lift the wristband on twice. I have spent one time in long term back. So please don't be a C-U-N-T. Gather, yeah? Thank you. Also one more thing, if you walk on the walk, yeah, it's slippery. Try not to. Try not to, but you can, but what you okay, you can jump in. You can jump in, but if you can't jump, you will have the letting you. More faster. It's not gonna stop now. If you don't know the water, and but all the monkeys gonna come to your back.
Guck mal, der guckt schon so.
it seems like a few of you peeps actually know this place. There's a movie that got shot here.
The beach.
Its name is The Beach. Starring Leonardo DiCaprio. This is why it is so fucking famous. Okay?
I'm so glad they shot it.
Yes. So, a few fun facts about this place, guys. Because it is still a party boat, a guided party boat. So, this beach, when they shot the movie, they actually did the same with the buoy line, so no one was allowed to enter or step foot onto the beach, right? They put a big helicopter on top to make all the waves that you can see in the movie, and they also brought in lots of palm trees and sand that does not belong here, okay? They left the scene exactly like this, okay? They did irreparable damage to this whole island. 2004, a big tsunami then hit Phi Phi, don't know if you heard about it. Thousands of people died on the island, and also the tsunami erased everything that was done to this island. So what you can see now is Maya Bay in its natural beauty before the movie. Okay, really beautiful. Cool, because this movie is starring Leonardo DiCaprio, a big boom of tourism went up after. So on this beach there were up to 6,000 tourists daily. Okay? You could only see speedboats next to long tails, next to speedboats. There was a really shitty swimming area on the right hand side of the beach, always in the shade and pretty fucking rocky. So it wasn't even worth going. Okay? Because of so many tourists, the longtails crashed every time they went to the beach with corals. Okay? So they literally damaged everything that is in front of the beach. So now the government decided to shut this place down until further knowledge, and they actually planted thousands of new corals, literally like baby corals, in front of the beach. Okay, they give nature now the time to recover. Yeah, really beautiful. It is actually successful. So there are black-tip reef sharks in front of the bay, close to the beach, seen 2 weeks ago, a group of 20. Really, really beautiful. Awesome. So what we're going to do here, again, we can jump off the boat, we can go snorkeling, kayaking, use a stand-up paddleboard. Especially here though, guys, there are loads of longtails and they sometimes just rush inside this bay here, okay? So please do me a favor, when you jump off.
Where's the other boat? The other boat. Do you see the view? Wow.
there you have it. A, B, C, D, P, G, C. X to the motherfucking C. Mr. Exuberant, extravagant, extraordinary, exciting, X of Y, X with a little bit of ecstasy. X in your bitch ass like you're trying to test my jig. And what's the recipe? Excalibur weapon, and we shoot smash. That damn pocket. X rocks the